Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free.
2 light vehicle driver post vacancy in National Atmospheric Research Laboratory. Eligibility 10th with driving license, 3 year of driving experience. Age limit maximum 35 years. Apply between 8 January to 7 February 2022. Ramlal Anand College vacancy for Administrative Officer, Senior Technical Assistant, Senior Assistant, Laboratory Assistant, Junior Assistant, Library Attendant, Laboratory Attendant. Eligibility 10th, 12th, Graduation, BE or BTech in Computer Science, Electrical Engineering, Electronics Engineering, MCA, MSc Computer Science, LLB, MBA. Age limit 27 years for Junior Assistant, 30 years for Senior Technical Assistant, Senior Assistant, Laboratory Assistant, Library Attendant, Laboratory Attendant, 35 years for Administrative Officer. Last date for application 24 January. Junior Secretariat Assistant post vacancy in CSIR, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, Jammu. Eligibility 12th and proficiency in computer typing. Age limit maximum 28 years. Last date for application 28 January 2022 and send hard copy of the application to the office up to 7 February 2022. For candidates residing in northeastern region, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Lahore and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh, UT of Ladakh, the last date of receipt of hard copy of online application is 11 February. Salary as per pay level 2. 44 Upper Divisional Clerk, 2 Stenographer, 56 Multitasking Staff post vacancy in Employee State Insurance Corporation. Eligibility 10th, 12th, Graduation. Age limit between 18 to 27 years for Upper Divisional Clerk and Stenographer, 18 to 25 years for Multitasking Staff. Last date for application 15 February 2022. Salary as per pay level 4 and pay level 1. Syamlal College vacancy for Senior Personal Assistant, Professional Assistant, Senior Technical Assistant, Senior Assistant, Junior Assistant, Laboratory Assistant, Library Attendant, Computer Laboratory Attendant. Eligibility 10th, 12th, Graduation, BE or BTech in Computer Science, Computer Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics Engineering, MCA, MSc Computer Science, Master in Library Science. Age limit maximum 27 years for Junior Assistant, 30 years for Senior Technical Assistant, Senior Assistant, Assistant, Laboratory Assistant, Library Attendant, Laboratory Attendant, Computer Laboratory Attendant, 35 years for Senior Personal Assistant and Professional Assistant. NHPC Limited vacancy for Trainee Engineer and Trainee Officer. Eligibility Bachelor degree in Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering and Electrical Engineering, CA, Company Secretary. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 17 January 2022. 17 Tutor Clinical Instructor post vacancy in All India Institute of Medical Science, Nagpur. Eligibility BSc in Nursing. Age limit maximum 35 years. Apply between 8 January 2022 to 7 February 2022. Salary as per pay level 10. 116 Professor, Additional Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor post vacancy in AIIMS Bilaspur. Eligibility MD, MS, DM, MCH with experience. Age limit maximum 58 years for Professor and Additional Professor, 50 years for Associate Professor and Assistant Professor. Application procedure applying. Applications should reach the office by post on or before 15 February 2022. Salary as per level 14A for Professor, level 13A2 for Additional Professor, level 13A1 for Associate Professor and level 12 for Assistant Professor. Thanks for watching till the end.